Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Primavera P6 on your Windows 7 or Windows 10 PC. After you have downloaded the Primavera file from Oracle website and unzipped it, you will find this folder named P6 Professional for EPPM. If you don't know how to download Primavera P6 from Oracle website, please check my other video. I'll mention the link in the description as well. So once you unzip this folder, if you open this folder, you will see that it contains 6 files. There is .NET file, there is Java file, and there is setup file as well. You can install Primavera on your 32-bit systems or 64-bit systems, whichever you have. So let's start with the installation process. Go to the setup.exe file which you see in this folder and simply double click on it. To start the installation process, it will open the P6 Professional Setup window. Select Typical here and click OK, and then click on Install. If it asks for the permission, click Yes to go ahead. Installation of Primavera P6 16.2 is very straightforward and simple process. It takes hardly 4 to 5 minutes to complete. The version of Primavera P6 I'm using for this demo is P6 Professional 16.2, and you can use the same process for setting up or installing any Primavera version starting from Primavera 15. Right now it's extracting the files and doing some background processes, and we have to wait till it finishes these processes. Once it's done, it will ask us for the configuration of database. Just select Run Database Configuration here. Before we run the database configuration, I would like to remind you that your setup may be slightly different from what I have shown you here, because if you don't have Java installed on your system, Primavera P6 will first install Java. So if it prompts you to install Java, just select OK and go ahead, and finally you will reach this window. Here, select Run Database Configuration, click OK. And in database configuration, select driver type, click the drop down menu here and select P6 Pro Standalone SQLite Database. Then click on Next. It takes us to the window called Configure P6 Professional Standalone Connection. Here, select the option Add a new standalone database and connection, then click Next. Here it will ask you to enter a new password and confirm the password, and you can enter your personal name, anything here. Let login name be admin only, and then enter your password. Enter any password of your choice, but I would prefer to keep the password admin as well, so that you remember it in future very easily. So just put the password and confirm the password. I have put it admin. Click Next. And here it asks you for the location. Select the location where you want to save the database files of Primavera P6. You can keep it as default, or you can change the location depending upon your preferences. One more important thing here on this window is this load sample data. If you want Primavera P6 installation to have a lot of sample projects available when you open Primavera P6, just check this button here. If you don't want sample projects to be loaded along with your Primavera P6, simply uncheck it here. But I would prefer that those who want to practice Primavera, it's better to check this box here so that you can get some projects to practice with once Primavera P6 installation is ready. Then click Next, and it will say connection successful. Once it says connection successful, just click on the finish button here. And that's it. We are done with Primavera P6 installation. Now, after finishing the installation, to start the program, if you are using Windows 7, just go to All Programs, Oracle, and then select Primavera P6. If you are using Windows 10, just go to the search button on the bottom of your taskbar and type P6. And it will give you Primavera P6 R16.2 64-bit desktop app. Double click on it to launch Primavera P6. Remember to enter your password which you set up during the installation process. Put your password here and click OK. Once you start Primavera for the first time, it will give you this message that the appropriate industry for your organization has not been selected yet. Just click OK, and then we will set the appropriate industry once we open Primavera P6. So here we go, Primavera is ready for use. In order to set the appropriate industry, what it means is that you select the type of the industry in which you are working. Just go to the admin menu here, select admin preferences. Then from this window, click on industry and select your appropriate industry or your appropriate profession. The options are engineering and construction, government, aerospace and defense, high technology, manufacturing and others. utilities, oil and gas. I'll select engineering and construction here, then click close. So it will give you again a message, your change in industry will be effective once you restart Primavera P6. No need to restart, just click OK, and that's all. All these projects are present here as sample projects for you to practice and open and look at them. If you did not select load sample data during installation process, these projects would not have been here. So thank you for watching the video. If this video has been helpful to you, do click like for the video and subscribe to my channel Construction Techie for more such videos. Thank you.